What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money the best way I believe you can as a complete beginner with $0 down. It's a really simple technique, and what we're going to be doing is basically using Instagram to actually drive traffic to ClickBank products. Now if you don't know what ClickBank is, don't worry, I'll be showing you exactly what that is in a minute, and this is something that I'm currently testing out myself at present, so I'll be revealing those results to you in just a few weeks. So make sure, if you are new to this channel, that you're subscribed, because I push out regular videos like this constantly on a weekly basis. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is going onto my computer in just a minute, of where I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with this right away. Now, like I said, we're going to be using Instagram to actually find a niche-based customers that are basically looking for products and services to help them achieve a certain desired result. It's going to be your job to then obviously bridge them with the actual product and provide a solution to them of where obviously they can purchase a product and get the result they truly desire. Now, how we're going to be actually connecting these customers to the product is through email marketing. Now, if all of this is going over your head, don't worry, as we're going to go through a complete tutorial inside of this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you're going to head over to a website called clickbank.com. Now, this website basically is a online marketplace where you can find different products that you can promote from different vendors across the internet. So these are mainly focused around digital products. So if you're looking to promote any type of industry here, you can select that and then select a product within it. So I'm going to give you an example. Now, to get to this page, once you register with ClickBank, you're going to need to click Marketplace just up here. Now, when we come down, you can see all of the different niches that you can get involved with. Now, I would recommend getting involved with something that you have a general interest in and something that you know of, like that you understand or know. Okay, so just say, for example, it was something to do with cooking. As you select the category of cooking, you can see all the subcategories of all these different cooking, categories in that sense. Yeah. Okay. So topics. You can see here barbecue, baking, cooking, drinks and beverages, general recipes, so on and so forth. So if we were to click recipes, say for example, you can see keto resources, and it's also available on mobile. Now you can promote any of these products, but what you would want to do is promote something that's already converting, because it gives you a good idea that it's selling. Okay, now the way you find that out is by basically checking the gravity score. So anything that you see here is whatever's been sold in the last 12 weeks roughly. Okay, or I believe, 120 days roughly, something about that. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, what you would want to do is basically look for something with the average decent gravity, and also check out the affiliate resource page. Okay, so this here is the average amount that you will make per sale. This is including any ongoing sales, so on and so forth. So some of these products have recurring commission, so this does, and that means that there's recurring billing. So that means people can buy it and continue on a subscription, and you'll make a commission. Okay, so average rebill total is 0 at the moment. I'm not sure why, when there's 176 sales from different affiliates. That means 176 people have made sales with this. Okay, so it doesn't mean that each of those people have only made one sale, because they could have made multiple, but this is just how many different people have made the sales. Okay, so anyway, initial sale is 24.63, which is the same. So that tells me that there is no recurring commission. Okay, so they might have it, and no one's buying it, or it doesn't exist. So the way you can check that out is by just checking out the offer. Okay, so if we were to go up here, you can go and see the actual page that people are sent to, and you can see this is how people would purchase this product. Okay, now if we actually go to the affiliate page, you can see here that there is an affiliate page, and this basically is the page that's designed for you as the promoter. So this gives you all of the information on what commissions you'll make, whether there's a recurring commission. You put your ID in here, and then this is how you generate a hop link, which is going to be the unique identification number or unique identification link that you're going to create and promote with. Okay, so that's going to be your link that you push out to the public. Now that link, you can mask it, so you can hide it behind another URL by using a cloaking system, like for example tiny URL. or any of those bit.ly kind of things, okay? And then anyway, you'll just go out and promote it. So the way you'll promote it is how I'm going to show you in a second. So anyway, what's interesting is I randomly just picked this product on the fly just now. And if you head over to Instagram, I actually was looking for an Instagram account that was currently using a technique that was similar to this, and I found this randomly, like just today. So when I came across this, I could see that they were doing very, valuable recipes for people who are looking to, have a ketogenic diet. So anyone who's looking for a healthy meal diet that's part of the keto diet, this basically provides them that valuable information on the front end. So they show you, what you need, like all of this. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I would do, is the technique is you would want to come and grow your Instagram account. So the way you can do that quickly is because right now, you're going to want some sort of organic growth as well. But without using any money, I would basically come and download these images. So you would want to go to this on like a browser on your phone, download the images and re-upload them, and then you can link back and tag these lot as courtesy to say that you've used the image, or, if people want to see the original creator. That's what you would do. You would also use hashtags. So you'd go and find different hashtags that people are searching for within your niche. And then you would use that to grow your account. So you'd use different hashtags on each post. And then you would go through to like posts like this. Just say, for example, like a very recent post. You go and check people who are engaging and leaving comments. You like their comment and then follow them. That's all you would do. You would do that, like and follow them, like and follow them. You would keep doing it. And basically by doing so, you could do like maybe 50 a day. You'll start to get a bit of a snowball growth going on your Instagram account. So that will help you to grow your Instagram account organically. Now, for those of you who are just looking to pay for the service and don't want to, grow your Instagram account, there's a service that I use, which is called the UW Growth Service. It's about $15. If you register, if you go up here to more, you can get also a 1 month free trial, but these are the prices. I use it. It works. It grows my accounts. And you can get started here. I think this one, there's like $15 package. Yeah, this one here. So if you go to where we was before, which was more, and then pricing discounted, you can get that $15 per month deal where you can basically, get started for $15 a month, and they'll grow your account for you. But I'll leave a link to that in the description box as well. But that's the idea. Now, what's interesting is you can see these lot have got 640,000 followers. Now, when you actually click and open what they're promoting, you can see right here, it's the exact same thing that was just on. So let's click off that. This is it. It's the same product. You can see, so they're promoting it. Now, we don't want to do it like that because I believe that's a rubbish way. And you can see here, if you actually go to the top of the page, it says ClickBank, trusted, secure. So it's from ClickBank, okay? That's what's interesting. But we don't want to do it that way. What you are going to do is basically you're going to provide this same valuable information. But what you're going to do is create a 7-day email sequence of helping someone achieve a result with the ketogenic diet. Okay, so that's what you'll promote, and you're going to use it in this part of the Instagram account in the link section. Okay, so once you've got your Instagram account set up, instead of directing directly to this, this would be is a link to your email sequence. Okay. Now, if you use Get Response, they actually have the option of you signing up with a landing page, and you can create landing pages and also emails within their software. Okay, so if you wanted to create a landing page, they will also allow you to use your own unique ID on it. So just say, for example, you wanted to make like a nice page of where you capture someone's email. Now, it doesn't need to be complicated because it's just going to be like an opt-in page. So this is where someone's just going to sign up and register to your email list. Okay, so you might want to put a few nice little images on there and whatever else, but generally speaking, it's going to be something just like this, like just something simple like that. Okay, so that will be your page, and you'll integrate that with the email marketing system. So you can see here, if I wanted to do this like keto example, I would just do that, and then you would basically come in, fiddle around, and this is a thank you page. So after they've signed up, you'll be able to see what your thank you page says. So that's after they've entered their name and email. You would then, have a thank you page, and that could be to, I don't know, you could send them wherever you want. Or potentially what I would actually do, to now seeing that, to be honest with you, is I would link to the product on the thank you page. Okay, so you're capturing the email first and then linking to the actual the affiliate product on the thank you page. So if you get obviously a front end conversion, it will be through your thank you page. Okay, so that's what you would do here. Now this is the page where you'll be capturing the details. You would obviously change all of the image and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so you would add your own image in there, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's duplicating, but you would add your own image. You can change that here and, do all different things with this software. Okay, whatever you decide to do, you would just basically come and just fiddle around with it, edit. It doesn't need to be fancy. At the same time, the whole purpose is just for them to click and give the email. That's all you want. Now, once you've got the email, you're going to come back to your get response dashboard, and then you're going to create an autoresponder. Okay, now you're going to need a list for this as well, guys. So you might need to create a list. Yeah, okay, if you haven't got a list like by default in your autoresponder, then create one. And that's just clicking this and just create a list. I don't want to go in there because my lists are in there. Okay, but what you would do is basically, have the list, and then you would select it from this drop down tab, and then you would create a series of emails. So say, for example, this is, I don't know, keto Instagram promo. Yeah, okay, so that's what you would do here. Then you might do like day 0, and then you would say enable it on what days. You want to leave it on any day. So that means if anyone signs up on any of these days, it's going to go immediately. Yeah, okay, from the time that they sign up. Or you could delay it, but I would do it immediately. You don't want to do no delay. Okay, now you're going to create the email that they're going to receive. Now inside of the first email, this is going to be the subject line, and then this will be like, potentially whatever, email that you want it to come from. Now, if you want to customize that, you can do that in the settings inside of Get Response, where you can add your personal emails into this. Okay, so I would, register a business email or something like that and use that as your email that you'll be using for it, so it looks very genuine to the customer. Okay, now for the subject line, you're basically going to just say, here is your whatever it is. Yeah, here is okay, or you could say email. So you could do hashtag email 1 or email 1 keto diet boot camp. Okay, something like that. You could do like a boot camp kind of thing. Okay, and then the name of the message, they won't see it, but you could just do like message 1. Okay, now the next step is basically you're going to introduce yourself in this email. So this is going to be the email of where you introduce yourself. Now, all we're going to need is something just very simple, and you can use this or you can use that fancy editor as well. Like if you want to go and use the proper editor like the other one, you can use that. So you could, let's just have a look over here. Wait, let's just go to gallery. If you go back down, you can see here there's all different ones that you can use. So if you wanted to find something that's to do with cooking and whatever else, you could do that, and your emails could look like this. Now I personally wouldn't do an email like this. It looks like spam. These are all the emails that people don't like. I'd keep it very simple, and what you'd want to do is just basically use like a start from scratch. That's what I would do. And you can just select what one you want there. So I'd say blank template, and it would just allow you to customize an email. The only other thing with the one that I was just showing you, it helps to get your deliverability rate up, so it actually drops in the inbox. But this one's still good, and basically what you would do is basically put in who you are, what information you're going to be providing them, and try and build up a trustworthy relationship with them in the first couple of emails. Yeah, so you would be linking to anything that you have as your credibility of who you are, so Facebook or whatever. If you've done anything in this industry in the past, you would let them know there as well. And then obviously at the same time, you would also recommend the product inside of this. So I would go straight in with the product. And if they had already seen it on the thank you page, they would then obviously get a second chance at seeing it here. So that's what you would recommend as a fast track for them to get the result they desire. So what you really need to do is go in and study and see what these people are wanting as a desired outcome, whether it's to lose weight, whether it's to get fit, shredded, whatever it is. If you're in a different industry, then you need to identify those problems and then provide a solution. The solution will always be the form of your product, and then you want to create a 7-day email sequence to promote those products to those people. Okay, so once you've done this, basically you would click like next step, you would save the email, and this would go out automated on day 0. Then you would repeat the process. Okay, you would repeat the process, you'd save and publish, you'd repeat the process for other days as well. Okay, so what you would do is basically, this is like an autoresponder that I'm in. This has got my emails in there, which I didn't know I was inside. But what you would do is basically on each day, so if you're in this view, you would come into this view, you want to click that, and then on each day you would create like a 7-day sequence. So this will be day 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. So you just come in here and click plus. Okay, and then you would do the same thing. So autoresponder name, so this might be, number 7, email 7, or whatever, however you want to name it, email 7 keto. Okay, and then you select your list, and then this is with a delay. Okay, yeah, so this will be, you don't want to do no delay here. Same time as signed up, so it'll be same time that they signed up 7 days later. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to do. You could do it at a certain time of the day if you're targeting a specific country, but at the same time, it's Instagram, you don't know where they are. Okay, and then you'll create that email. And what you need to do is make these emails very valuable, very helpful, like something, go and research and find the most helpful information you can possibly find to help those people get that result. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is note down exactly what problems those people are experiencing and then provide the solution for them. Okay, and that's it in a nutshell. That's exactly how you'll be doing it. So you can see how these lot are doing it, but you don't want to do it like that. You want to integrate it with an email marketing software and create a landing page of where you capture the name and email so you can actually retarget those people. When you've actually got a big email list, you can continue to promote products to them in future, and also, potentially sell that space or that list to someone else in the future. So you've got a valuable asset and you can continue to monetize it, time and time again. Okay, so I hope that video helps you. If you didn't understand anything, because I know, I got a little bit stuck there with explaining it. If you didn't understand anything or you got a bit confused, then make sure to leave a question below inside of the comment section and I'll make sure to answer them for you. But thank you for watching the video. If you are new, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.